It's time for a haul! Haul time! Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is going to be my first unboxing and try on haul video in my YouTube. I'm gonna give you guys a hint that it's something that I wear it usually in my videos. And I hope you guys get something right because it's glasses. This package is from a brand called Fytoo. And this is how inside the box looks like. In the first little bag, there's something like a keychain, an extra soft cloth. This wasn't a keychain, it's something to fix your glasses. And there was this measurement for your glasses. Also got a discount code. I'll put it on my screen, link in the description, plus a little guidance book. Now it's time to try their glasses. All the glasses came in this little cloth. They sent me 5 pairs of glasses and I'm gonna try them separately. Then in this plastic bag, here's the first pair. I got the non-prescription glasses and it's called Rayon. I actually prefer this style because this glasses has this round frame and it looks very good with my face feature. And it's in a tortoise color. Here's the second one. This glasses is called Sainsbury in this golden color. I love golden glasses. It's so classic. Like, look at this. Also, in one of my viral videos, I was wearing a golden frame glasses. It makes you look so classic. This pair is so gorgeous. I got the non-prescription glasses, but they also provide prescription glasses. It's a blue light glasses and it's called Alexander. And it's in this transparent color, which is so cool. The next pair of the glasses is called Roach. Look how gorgeous and thick the frames are. And here's the last pair. This is a beautiful sunglasses which is called Otis. And this is also in tortoise color, so cute and fancy. And I also love to put my sunglasses in this style. Anyway, I hope you guys like this unboxing try on haul video. I'll put the link and my discount code in the description below. And comment me down that which pair looked so good on me. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!